Hi guys, so now that we have created the prompt, we're gonna create an application to make this prompt accessible to everyone which want to use it without giving the prompt directly. So we will go to the application part of Generated By, and I'm gonna click on create a new application. Then I will choose the prompt I've just created. I can update the title, the description, the slug soon, and I have to choose the application type. So from now we can only choose from application, but we will soon have the ability to choose between other application type like a ChatGPT plugin, ChatBubble application to integrate it directly to your website, and then API application for technical people. So here we go. I'm going to create this application, and then I can edit it. So I can edit the form, I can optimize the form types, I can add some placeholders, some description, I can choose the input type, and I can make it required or not. I also can move out or move down variable, and then have a preview of the form. I will have the ability to get all the completion for users. I can also choose between different kind of appearance, so it's kind of light from now, but we are working on some more advanced application layout. You can also integrate it directly in your website by using an iframe, and you can go and test it directly from our website. So for the example, we're gonna have this form. It's pretty much like when we use the chat UI, but we will not see the prompt. So the prompt will be kept as private, and people will have the ability to test it. So we can make the same kind of test. So we are in a tech domain of TypeScript with Next.js 13 and React server components with application directory. Technical problem aware. I'd like to understand how to implement pagination on a React server component with Next.js 13 app directory frameworks. So the programming language is TypeScript, and the documentation link Next.js documentation. Up. I got the answers here. I've made some small update about the prompt we wrote together just before. I've merged the initial prompt with a perfect prompt given, because there was a lot of nice things, so I use it. And here we go. You can see with the example the new parts that explain how to do that. So it's a short demonstration of application, but yeah, you will have the ability to do a lot of things more complicated in the next few months. Thanks for looking this video. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.